Nope, it's not ready to fire up yet, but it looks excellent in there. Give you an idea of what I've got planned. We can get under here. There's the turbine. Here's my old 2.5-inch exhaust, which will be going away. I have a close quarters stainless, like turn down piece, whatever you want to call it. And I want to weld a V-band onto that, so that'll aim down, and I'll be sure and reroute all these wires and that clutch line there. But yeah, I'm gonna start that like there, and run that 3-inch on down, and get rid of all this 2.5. There's the cutout, 2.5, and then when it comes to here, by the cross member, I want to cut it. Let's see if you can see. Yeah, right here, and I want to put this 2.5-inch to 3-inch V-band splitter right there. That way I can retain my 2.5-inch all the way back with the V-band that I have, the resonator muffler, and I'll get to keep this flex joint. And with it being 3-inch forward, I'll be putting a different low profile cutout right here, have it out the side, so I'll be able to have it 3-inch straight pipe, maximum power whenever I want, or if I want to be quiet, just run it out the back. And that way also save some money and not have to redo the exhaust from here all the way back and change the muffler and all that mess. So yeah, should be good. I think I'm about to cut this off with this 2.5-inch down pipe and start that. So yeah. All right, let's get this exhaust cut off. I am wearing eye protection. And we have a Ryobi 18 volt. This thing was brand new. Normally I use a Milwaukee wall powered Sawzall, but this thing I found sitting in my storage container, and I had it for probably, 8 years. Hadn't used it, and you can see the rubber is discoloring from sitting so long. But got a Milwaukee carbide tooth blade. I do have some Diablo blades, but I figured I'd give this Milwaukee one a shot. See if we can get this off without cutting any fingers, or don't want to bang that up too much. Alright, maybe right there. Yeah, it looks like crap, but let's keep going. Almost there. Well, so much for that. Jeez. Wow. Let's rethink that. Alright, I'm back. It's like the crappy exhaust hanger broke, so that's why the pipe was flopping around so much. I guess it's still gonna flop around, but I don't know, maybe that'll keep it from going up and down so much. So let's just see. Let's try to keep going. Ooh, almost. Yeah, I can break that off by undoing it over there. That got it. To snip the other side with the grinder there. And I couldn't slide it out, the pipe out from over there because it was above the, what's that, the axle output shaft for the axle. Now, there we go. Finally. Ugly, but I can make it work.